Will the pink salt recipe help you lose weight and detox? You've probably seen people online talking about pink Himalayan salt water, also called soul water. They claim it burns fat, detoxes your body, and even boosts energy. But here's the truth. Some of these claims are real, and some are just hype. So, does the pink salt recipe actually help with weight loss and detox? Or is it just another trend? Let's break it down. For centuries, salt has been more than just a flavor booster. In ancient times, it was even used as medicine. But when pink Himalayan salt started trending, people turned it into something bigger, mixing it with water and calling it a natural detox drink. Today, I'm going to explain what really happens when you drink it, why so many people swear by it, and whether it actually helps with weight loss and detox. Let's be real. Losing weight and detoxing your body is not as simple as drinking one magic potion. If it were, we'd all be in perfect shape. The problem is that most of us are constantly looking for an easy fix. We see words like detox and burn fat fast and immediately think, this might be the answer. But here's the challenge. Is pink salt water actually doing what people think it's doing, or are we giving it credit for results that come from other changes? Before we dive deep, hit the subscribe button if you want more simple, science-backed health breakdowns that cut through the myths. What exactly is the pink salt recipe? The pink salt recipe, often called soul water, is super simple. You take a glass jar, fill it with water, add a few spoonfuls of pink Himalayan salt, and let it sit overnight until the water is fully saturated. In the morning, you take a teaspoon of that salt water and mix it into a glass of regular water, then drink it. That's it, no fancy steps. But why pink salt? Unlike regular table salt, pink Himalayan salt contains trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are what give it that light pink color. Advocates claim those minerals make it healthier and more natural than regular white salt. The detox claims. Fact or myth? Let's tackle the first big claim. Detox. The word detox gets thrown around way too much. Your body already has two incredible detox machines, your liver and your kidneys. They're constantly filtering toxins out of your blood and flushing them away. Pink salt water doesn't magically wash toxins out. Biology doesn't work that way. But, and this is important, staying hydrated and balanced in electrolytes does help your organs do their job more efficiently. Pink salt water can give you hydration plus trace minerals, which may support your natural detox systems. So, it's not that the salt water is detoxing you, it's more like it's giving your body the tools it needs to keep doing what it already does. Can it actually help with weight loss? Here's where things get interesting. Pink salt water doesn't burn fat. There's no ingredient that melts belly fat, but it can support weight loss. How? 1. Better hydration. Many times, when people feel hungry, they're actually just dehydrated. Drinking it in the morning keeps you hydrated and may cut random cravings. Ever grab a snack, then realize a glass of water fixed the craving? That's hydration, not hunger. And that's exactly how pink salt water helps. 2. Electrolyte balance. If you're low on minerals, your energy dips. And when your energy dips, your motivation to exercise goes with it. By adding minerals like magnesium and potassium, you might feel more energized. 3. Digestion support. Some people find that soul water stimulates their digestion, making them feel lighter and less bloated. Less bloating makes you look leaner. So while pink salt water isn't a fat burner, it can help create conditions that make weight loss easier. Most people are drinking it wrong, and that's why they're not seeing results. Now, let's talk about the risks nobody mentions. Salt is salt, and too much of it can cause problems. If you already have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or if your diet is already very salty, adding pink salt water might do more harm than good. Too much can cause bloating or strain your kidneys. That's why portion control is key. We're talking about a teaspoon of soul water in a full glass of water, not drinking it straight, not adding huge amounts. More isn't better here. So, what's the right way to use it safely? If you want to try the pink salt recipe safely, here's how. Fill a jar with water, add pink salt, let sit overnight. In the morning, mix a teaspoon into a glass of water. Simple and safe for most adults. What people actually experience. Most people who drink it regularly say they feel more hydrated, have better digestion, and even sleep better. Why sleep? Because pink salt provides magnesium, which relaxes the body and helps regulate sleep hormones. And when you sleep better, your metabolism improves. That indirectly supports weight loss. So again, it's not a miracle drink, but it can create small changes that add up over time. If you were hoping it would melt belly fat overnight, that's not reality. But if you want a simple morning habit that supports your body, it can deliver. Think of it as giving your body a little boost. More hydration, better digestion, improved energy, and maybe even better sleep. And all of those things together can definitely make weight loss and detox easier. Pink salt water isn't magic. It just helps your body's magic work better. So here's the bottom line. Pink salt water is basically mineral-rich hydration. It doesn't directly detox your body. Your organs already do that. It won't burn fat, but it can cut cravings, improve digestion, and boost energy. The key is moderation. A teaspoon in water is enough. More is not better. If this helped clear things up, hit like, subscribe for no-nonsense health tips, and tell me in the comments, have you tried pink salt water yourself, or is it just hype?